Lekedebos. As that guy see for say the phone, they don't move out. From the tongues, you know there's a problem. I just hear Lekedebo. Mogbe Lakadebos. He don't talk Gary. Oh God. He wants normal for one call. Watch. You know, he can't play say the thing can face.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Lagos. Yadadi 25.
Give it up for Remote! Remote. She won't listen.
Sorry, good morning. How you all doing? Good morning, everybody. I hope you're all doing fine. God will bless you. Say amen. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a way you'll be broke in life. You start checking your previous credit alert. Oh, wait, how do I spend money? How do I spend this money? I get to shame me. How did I spend this money? How did I spend this money? Can't you shame me? I swear to God. I lodge for a hotel, ladies and gentlemen. If you know them very well in the hotel, tell them to go and off their. I don't know, maybe they have one source where they take off their water. I just on water down like this. Sir! I lodged for 400,000. I don't know, maybe it's 400,000, 420 something. And I can't get sleepless night with my money. Only me want to overthink. Say, God, why did I spend this wrong? Why? Like this. There are two toes where don't go. There water. I was on her face. I on her down. Say maybe it was the waste because as I see the water way, you know the waste. I know they happy. 400,000. I don't feel sleep. I want to get headache. I want to overthink. So long. I don't know me. Change my with the new same me. Don't talk with me, sir. I don't come here very angry. Especially when you just rich people way they front. You know, I'm not happy with you people. So you people lodge with 400,000. God will punish you, sir. And you are able to sleep. God will punish you again. How do you sleep with that huge amount of money? Me too, I say I should do big boy. You know, sometimes body you just want to feel among. To do fake life in this Lagos is very risky. In fact, it's very expensive. I said, let me feel among with the rich. Now my hand no rich now. You all are enjoying it. Happy Sunday, sir. Do you know the best place to pollute the air without getting caught is church and club? Yes. As they dance like that, you just say, Father, we thank you, Father, we thank you, Oluwa, just drop one, you move from out there, Oluwa, now person when they say carry me, they go, Jehovah, carry me, they go, now you go just wait, even for club, go just drop one, move from out there, carry a go. They don't thief your phone for church before. They never thief your phone for church. I was in church now. You people are enjoying it. I can see pastors for here, the way they cast out demons, everything is sweet. You all attend the Pentecostal church. They speak to demons. Demon listen to them, then they grace. Where AC they won't kill you. They speak to demons. They know they stress themselves. Before they cast out demon like this, don't fall down. We don't say, oh, you demon, please respect yourself. Demon will say, I'm very sorry, sir, I'm leaving the body right now. And we walk out. Have you come to our church in Ibadan before? The demon that is in us is bigger than the demon in the world. They did not go anywhere. As our pastor wants to stretch out like this, like this, will carry one leg go up. Why are you stressing us? Why do you want to stress me? Sir, this guy plugged iPhone 12. Pastor said, start speaking in tongues. We started speaking in tongues. Lekedebos. As that guy moved, you know, say you get the way you go move. I want to come back. As the guy they come back, as they see him phone. How many of you know you are away? Pastor says, speak in tongues. As we speak in tongues, Lekedebos. As that guy see him phone, say the phone they don't move out. From the tongues, you know there's a problem. I don't hear Lekedebos. Mogbe Lakadebos. I hear him again. Lekadebos. I go they look for pastor. As they look for pastor, when they look for pastor say wait here. He say pastor they put my phone. Pastor say speak in tongues, brother. I don't have time. Lekadebos. God will won't catch pastor. As pastor go inside congregation, say me do deliverance. As he was coming back, ladies and gentlemen, they don't move pastor phone too. As pastor pull out for pocket, I just hear
You people are joking with me. This church they carry Osha. When I buy you fair budget, you can't look for that guy with the telephone. As you see that guy say, who be that? Ladies and gentlemen, sir, I was opportune to travel to the UK and I saw their cock. Is it fowl or cock? Cock crop. That would cover cock. What's in English? When a cock what? Cock crop. Okay, a fowl. When you say you don't know a fowl. What a fowl crow or a crow? Is it crow? Oh, hey, when I saw their fowl crow, and I was shocked, bro. Their fowl was well fed. In the morning, the fowl was to crow, and I was amazed. I was like, wow. No, they feed you alone. He woke up in the morning, see better fowl. He wants to crow in the morning. He just wake up straight, go straight to the point. Correct. Where's there? Ladies and gentlemen, I went to Ibadan to see my grandmother. Ladies and gentlemen, if you see my grandma fowl, that guy don't chop gari. I ate it by day. He don't chop gari. Oh God. He wants number fowl. What call? Watch. You know, he come there say the thing can face. He dey look for where my grandma dey. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. That's my time. Good night.
Give it up for remote! Ladies and gentlemen, back to back, we got two of Nigerians.
The Chronicles of Ushbebe live in Lagos. Yadadi 25.